Hello everyone, you are welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a file and read a file in Python programming language. So if you are just joining, subscribe, follow, like and share this video. Thank you. So let's go. The first thing to do is to create a file. So to create a file in Python, we are going to use this code right here, open. So it means to open a file. So this close, open and close brackets, and the next thing to do is to specify the name of the file. Let's say this thing. So let's say we want to create a file today.txt. So this is the name of the file you want to create right here. So we just type open and open brackets and the name of the file you want to create, and the next thing to do is to add a comma here and a space. So the next thing to do is to read. So here is to x. So x. So open file today.txt comma space x. So this means to create a file. So this x means create. So it will create a file name file today.txt. So let's run this Python code right here. As you can see, the file has been created, and to confirm the file has been created, you can use the command line to do that. So let's use the command line ls. So as you can see, this is the file today.txt. So this is the file today.txt. So if you want to read this file right here, to view the content in this file, as you can see, we just create this file right here. So the next thing you can do is that you can try to use a word processor to write something in the Python file, but basically Python can also write to a file, but let's use the word processor. Let's go to our file explorer right here and search for the name of the file, new file. So this is it right here, and let's right click and open with WPS Office. If you have Microsoft Office, you can use this. So let's use it to write. In front of this open, we are going to write with, so space, and as this end, we are going to come here and give space as f and colon. So what does this code mean? With means with this right here as f. So we are going to, this f is a reference to this, so we are going to be using this f, and also we are going to change something here, which is rb, so read binary. So we want to read the file, so we press enter. So the next thing is that we are going to put the read into a variable. Let's say content equal to, so we are creating a variable right here. So we are going to read this file today.txt right here, and the next thing to do is that you know that we have put this as f, so we are going to be using f. So let's say f. So in order to read the file, we use .read. So this is a function right here, .read. So it means to read it, and as you can see, it is in a binary format. So we decode it with this code right here, decode. So we specify the chassis, and the default chassis is UTF-8. So this is the default chassis, and the next thing to do is to print this content right here. So we press enter and backspace and print content. So this is going to print what is inside this file today.txt, and as you can see, we have written something inside this. This is a sample file. So we come here and run this Python file right here. See, this is the file today.txt. So we are going to write something here. Let's say follow and try for more. So this is something that we are going to write into the file, and we are going to read this inside Python. But basically remember that we can add something to a file, or we can write to a file in Python normally, but let's just do it this way. So as we proceed, we'll be learning more. So let's save. So after we have saved, we go back into our VS Code. So with this code right here, so we are going to run it. So Python is going to give us what is inside the file. As you can see, this is follow and subscribe for more. This is what is inside this file today.txt file. So that is how you can create a file and read a file in Python programming language. Thank you.